Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Galaxy A34, and I'm gonna show you how to recover the deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin. Firstly, open the gallery and let's remove the photo. I want to move to recycle bin. Great, photo was removed. Now, to recover this photo, you have 30 days to recover, because after 30 days after removing the photo or video, your photo or video will be permanently deleted from your device, so you have 30 days to recover. So open the recycle bin, and as you can see, I have 30 days to recover, to restore. Then click and hold on the photo you want to recover and choose other photos and choose restore all, and great, image was restored. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.